Hi, my name is Phil Higgins and welcome to the Onsite Weekly Construction News Update, a Ventures Onsite initiative designed to help you stay informed so you stay competitive. As Qatar continues preparation to host the 2022 World Cup, Qetaifan Projects, a company owned by Qatar Hospitality, has signed a Memorandum of Understanding with ADMARES Construction and Trading for the construction and operation of 16 floating hotels on the shores of the Qetaifan Island. The hotels will have a unique 72-metre long by 16-metre wide design, each hotel consisting of 101 guest rooms, a restaurant and a lounge bar. All of the 16 four-storey hotels will be identical to provide a total of 1,616 floating hotel rooms. As the Dubai Expo 2020 edges closer, we are now seeing the construction awards of the remaining country pavilions. Recently, the Venezuela Pavilion build was awarded to Cimolai, Rimond, Middle East. The local consulting architect for this pavilion is Wanders Werner Al-Falasi Consulting Architects. Union Properties has announced expectations to sign a Memorandum of Understanding very soon with China National Chemical Engineering for the main construction of the $54.5 million US Dubai Autodrome expansion. In Egypt earlier this month, Hassan Alam Holdings announced that its subsidiary Intech has been awarded 7 new projects. These projects include the Dar El Salam wastewater treatment plant, the Warden wastewater treatment plant, and the rehabilitation of 4 other wastewater treatment plants throughout the region. In Oman, the Duqm Special Economic Zone Authority has issued a tender for the development, management, and operation of the fishing port at the economic zone, as well as other related investment projects in the economic zone. Dubai Electricity and Water Authority, DEWA, has now issued their tender for the construction of a 30 million gallon water reservoir in Hatta. The project value is estimated to be $25 million US. The Sharjah National Oil Corporation, SNOC, announced on Monday the discovery of an inland gas field in the Emirate of Sharjah. The new natural gas and condensate field called Mahani has flow rates of up to 50 million standard cubic feet per day, along with the liquids associated with it. It was the first land discovery of gas in the Emirate in the last 37 years. Earlier this month, the government of Sharjah also announced their budget for 2020 with a total expenditure of 29.1 billion dirhams. This is a record for Sharjah with a 2% increase from its 2019 budget. This budget provides strong focus to infrastructure development with 33% of the funds allocated to infrastructure throughout the Emirate. This is 10% more than in 2019. Saudi Arabia's National Center for Privatization and Ministry of Education concluded a roadshow this week in a number of cities in Saudi Arabia and the UAE. Representatives from the government entities met with investors in the aim to attract funding for the construction of government schools in Medina Al Manawar, Saudi Arabia. This is phase 2 of the project and comprises long-term contracts for construction and maintenance of 60 schools in the region. In another landmark development, France-headquartered Veolia, in collaboration with the Royal Commission for Jabal's investment arm JYIC, has broken ground on the Central Utilities and Waste Valorization Plan in Saudi Arabia's Jabal Industrial City. The plant will be constructed on a design, own, operate model and is expected to be in operation by September 2021. Egypt has announced plans for the implementation of a multi-purpose plant in Safaga Port at an estimated cost of $500 million. The plant will have an area of 75,000 square meters and a 1,000 meter berth to receive general cargo ships and containers. Well, that's all for this week. Thanks for joining us here at Onsite Live. We hope that this brief market update helps you stay informed so you can stay competitive.